Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share with you the Fat Quarter Shop October 2021 Spooky Box. This is my first time getting a spooky box, and it was so much fun to open it up and see what's inside, and now I'm going to share all the contents with you. A lot of these items are available individually, and I believe there are still some spooky boxes available for purchase. So let's get started. Okay, let's look inside the 2021 Spooky Box. As I mentioned earlier, I was super excited to find out I was getting one of these to share with you. I haven't received one of these before, and I know they do different seasonal boxes throughout the year. They usually do a Halloween box and a Christmas box, and I think they even do a summer, and they've also did last year a patriotic box that I did get one of those. So anyway, this is the spooky box, and this is actually a fun little thread cutter. And you saw in the September or so sampler box that we got a thread cutter ring. This one is kind of like a glow in the dark. So it's, you know, just kind of has a different look to it than the one in last month's box. Okay, this is a Halloween themed box, and it's got a little magnetic opening, and it's perfectly sized. You can put thread in there or any kind of notions. It would be also fun if you know any little children. It would be a fun little gift item for them. Put some Halloween treats in there. Fabric. This is by Maywood Studio, and really fun. I love this black print with the bats, and then purple with the bats, and a purple diagonal stripe. This kind of bright green with the little words. So cute. And the same print in orange, and then the spider webs in orange, and then I love these little banners. Super cute with the orange background, and all kind of brings in all the colors of the fabric. So that is by Maywood Studio, and I will link that. They also gave us a little fat quarter. This is an exclusive, and this is glow in the dark. So this is just a little stand you can stick your pencils in or your scissors. It can sit on your desk. It's sized very small, so it'll fit anywhere. And I have several of these in different sizes over on my other work table where I keep scissors and pens. Okay, this is just the little card that talks about all the products. This is the Hocus Pocus quilt pattern that uses the fabrics from Maywood. So that's an exclusive. And this is a cute spiderweb themed bookmark. Super cute. And that's it for the Fat Quarter Shop Spooky Box. There are still spooky boxes available, and I will also link a couple of these items separately too if you're interested in purchasing any of those separately. But super fun box from Fat Quarter Shop for October. Okay, so that's it for the October 2021 Fat Quarter Shop Spooky Box. So many fun things included. I will link to all of them individually, and I'll also put a link up to where you can actually purchase the entire Spooky Box. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please share it with a friend. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and thanks so much for stopping by.